asuntoskeittiö Kalevan koto.
Amazing sounds.
Yeah.
Today on the 14th of July 2025. And it was the address of Torikatu 26 Steakers BFM the Steakers also. The Steakers actually lived there. Has been built in 1961. It's in Brussels 1981. One of the oldest in Heinola.
Yeah.
The oldest we've filmed so far.
Yeah.
Maybe the oldest in
Yeah.
Brussels.
No, we have to film the NPM Force also.
Yes, they are even older, but
Yeah.
two rights here.
Yeah.
But the Henkea panel, they changed it unnecessarily.
Yeah. Iskuttiin vaikka vai iskuttaa mentiin by Kone.
Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Small windows around here, but it's too dark here.
Yeah.
I need to switch on the lights.
That's